What's up guys, today we are installing VLAN taillights on my FR-S. Alright guys, so these are my VLAN taillights. They're basically a replica of the 2017 taillights, but in my opinion just made better. They're the same exact shape and they got this part. They're kind of like, 3D. This part sticks out above the rest of it. And the difference between these and the 2017 is on the 2017 taillights, they only light up to here. These ones actually wrap around all the way to there. And then the 2017 taillights, they have like a little round brake light here. This one has a brake light across the top right here, as well as this whole thing lights up brighter. And then they also have a sequential turn signal. So these I think are awesome. They're going to look great on my car. And then the other thing that I'm doing is I'm kind of going for like the Aston Martin Vantage look, where, because my car is black, this part's going to be all tinted black, and then this part's going to be red, and I just think that's going to look sweet. So first, I am installing this tint. To do that, what you want to do is just make sure you clean your taillights, which I clean them with soapy water, and then you just install these by spraying soapy water on here out of a spray bottle and using a squeegee. Now these I got on eBay. I'm going to list a link to these. I might list just the FT86 link because it's easier. I'm also going to list a link to these taillights in the description if you want to pick them up yourself. So we're going to go ahead and start installing the tint. Alright, so because of the way that this is shaped, right here it was actually really hard to install this. Super hard, actually. Some of this stuff, like some of these imperfections, will come out as it cures over time. Other ones like that are probably stuck there forever. But other than that kind of stuff, there's a little bit in this corner and a little bit up there. It actually came out alright. And it looks really good compared to the factory. This is the perfect look that I'm going for right now. So this will be sweet. Now one thing I did want to mention is you will need either a heat gun or a hair dryer when doing this, because you do have to stretch the vinyl because of all these weird edges and stuff. So want one of those, and then something like this. This is a little phone prying tool. You don't have to use this, just anything that you can get under the edge of the vinyl with to lift it up around the edges so you can smooth it out flat. Alright, so now that we got both taillights done, what we're going to do now is, these are from overseas, and as some of you may have known, it seems like the BRZs and FR-Ss in the Eastern Hemisphere, the wiring is swapped for the turn signal and for the running light. So when you turn the lights on, the turn signal stays on solid, and when you turn the blinker on, the running light flashes here. So we actually have to flip those wires around, and to do that, we're going to look here. So if you look at the back here, we have our wiring, and you cannot match these to the colors of the stock car, because in the actual factory wiring, this green wire is the brake light, and this one, it's the running light. So you have to look at the location. So what you want to do is find the ground, and the ground is a black wire. You want to swap the wire directly below the ground on the right side and directly next to the ground. So this yellow wire and this green wire have to be swapped, and then this light will work the way that it's supposed to. To do that, on this connector, it doesn't seem like there's anything that's got to be popped out on the top. Sometimes there is. There's just little tiny tabs in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's right below each one of those pins is a little tab, and we want to pry down on it, and we should be able to pull the wires out the back and just flip them around and pop them back in the connector. Man, that was like the hardest clip I ever had to depin. It took like a full 10 minutes, but I got the wires in where they're supposed to be now. So this one will go ahead and work. I'm just going to go ahead and do that one, and then we'll put these inside the car. So if you look in here, obviously, this is where the taillights unplug. And then you got 4 bolts right here. You got one right there, and then 2 on the inside. which you can see right here. So you just got to pop those 4 out, unplug the light. It pops out and you put the new light in, and that is it. So I'm going to go ahead and do both of these right now. Alright, so that's how they look, which I think is really sweet. I'm like super excited. And now we're just gonna go ahead and test all the lights. So watching this back, I realized I never mentioned that the right taillight wasn't just working in that clip. What had happened is because I repinned them, when I plugged them in, the one pin kind of pushed out a little bit. So I fixed that, which you will see after the ending footage. If you stay till like the very end of the video, you'll see that it's fixed. I just wanted to point that out. Alright guys, well that's going to be the end of this video. Make sure that if you liked it, you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and thanks again for watching. Peace out.